Your AI prompts are costing you money. Every time you get a generic surface-level response from ChatGPT, that's billable hours wasted. But here's the thing, it's not the AI's fault, it's how you're talking to it. I'm going to show you the CRIT framework, a method developed by Geoff Woods, founder of AI Leadership, and author of The AI-Driven Leader. This framework transforms AI from a basic automation tool into your strategic thought partner. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use it. CRIT stands for context, role, interview, and task. These four components work together to give AI everything it needs to deliver high-value strategic insights, not just generic fluff. Let's break down each one. First up, context. This is where most people fail. They jump straight to asking questions without giving AI any background. Think of it like hiring a consultant. Would you just say, "Fix my business," without explaining what you do? Of course not. Here's what context looks like in action. Instead of saying, "Write a marketing email," you say, "I'm a business coach specializing in delegation strategies for mid-level executives in tech companies. My clients typically manage teams of 10 to 30 people and struggle with letting go of tactical work. I'm launching a new 90-day coaching program focused on building leadership capacity." See the difference? Now AI understands your industry, your audience, and your specific challenge. Next, role. This is where you assign AI a specific expert persona. Don't just use ChatGPT as ChatGPT, make it your strategic advisor, your CFO, your marketing director, whatever expertise you need. Using our coaching example, you'd add, "Act as a seasoned business strategist with 20 years of experience scaling coaching businesses from 6 to 7 figures. You specialize in positioning premium offers and creating irresistible value propositions." Now AI isn't just generating content, it's thinking through the lens of a strategic expert. Here's where CRIT gets powerful. Interview. Instead of telling AI what to do immediately, you let it ask you questions. This is what transforms AI from a tool into a thought partner. You add, "Before creating anything, ask me 5 clarifying questions, one at a time, to deeply understand my business model, target client pain points, competitive positioning, pricing strategy, and desired transformation outcomes. Wait for my answer after each question." This back and forth forces you to think strategically. AI becomes your strategic sounding board, not just your content generator. Finally, task. This is where you define the specific deliverable you want. Be crystal clear about format, length, and success criteria. You conclude with, "After our interview, create a 3-email nurture sequence for my coaching program. Each email should be 250 to 300 words, include one specific delegation framework, address a common objection, and end with a soft CTA to book a strategy call. Include subject lines optimized for 40% plus open rates." The more specific your task, the better your output. Let me show you CRIT in action with a real business scenario. I'm going to use it to analyze financial statements, something every consultant and agency owner needs to do. Context. I'm uploading my Q3 financial statements. My agency generates $50K monthly revenue with 60% profit margins, but cash flow is inconsistent due to project-based billing. Role. Act as a strategic CFO with expertise in service-based business financial optimization. Interview. Ask me 5 questions, one at a time, about my revenue model, expense structure, client payment terms, growth goals, and biggest financial concerns. See, it's already digging deeper. Let me answer these. And now, for the task. After our interview, reveal the top 5 financial insights I don't know about my business, ranked by potential revenue impact. Include one specific action item for each insight. Look at this output. It identified cash flow patterns I hadn't noticed, suggested a retainer model shift, and calculated the revenue impact of each change. This is strategic thinking, not just data regurgitation. Here's what you need to understand. AI isn't just about automation. It's not about doing tasks faster. When you use CRIT, AI becomes your strategic thought partner, the advisor who challenges your assumptions, asks the hard questions, and helps you see blind spots in your business. This is especially powerful for high-stakes decisions, board presentations, contract negotiations, strategic pivots. Anywhere you need deep thinking, not just quick answers. Here's your challenge. Right now, think of the most frustrating business problem you're facing. Open ChatGPT and use the CRIT framework to tackle it. Then come back and drop a comment telling me what happened. Did AI surprise you? Did it ask a question you hadn't considered? I want to know. And if you want more frameworks like this, AI strategies that go beyond basic automation, hit that subscribe button. I'm breaking down one advanced AI tactic every week. Remember, the quality of your AI output depends on the quality of your prompts. CRIT gives you the structure to level up. See you in the next one.